Hey guys, it's Hannibal Baldwin with SiteZeus. Today I want to take a few minutes and walk you through a new solution we're calling Site Sonar. I would personally argue this is one of the most valuable map-based visuals that you could have on a screen for your brand at any point in time. And I know informally and internally we've started referring to this solution as God's Eye, and you're about to find out why. So over here on the top right hand side of the screen, we've got our mapping options. We've added in a new Site Sonar button that you can simply click. Once we click that button, it's going to open a container on the left hand side that has a list of all of the points of interest we have categorized at the category level, subcategory level, and the brand level. And I've also trained a SiteZeus predictive model using some estimated full service restaurant sales and locations. So what I'm going to do with Site Sonar now is scroll down and I'm going to select all of the full service restaurants, which is roughly 20,000 restaurants across the nation, and I'm going to ask Site Sonar to produce and visualize 20,000 projections in roughly 10 seconds. So I'm going to check that box on full service restaurants. I'm going to click the blue Site Sonar button and I'm going to watch the magic happen. So as you're seeing, as the map is growing and it's producing the projections, I want you to be cognizant of the legend in the bottom right hand corner. Red dots are the poorest performing projections, blue dots are the best performing projections. So now that Site Sonar is done producing the projections, you can see why we call this God's Eye. But what we can do now is we can start to zoom in any market that we want to. I can zoom in into Atlanta, for example, and I can start to understand very quickly and very visually what areas of Atlanta I need to be looking for real estate in and what areas I don't need to be looking in. I can also layer in where my stores are, where my competitors are. I can layer in traffic counts, demographic data. But again, since this is Site Sonar and these are projections, it's factoring in all of that information in machine learning and producing and telling me exactly what I need to do. So it's a very prescriptive analytic. At the same time, as you can see, this feature, we're going to answer 3 core questions or problems for you. And they are in order: how many units you can build across the nation or a market, where you should be placing or optimizing those locations inside of the market, and then naturally how well will those locations perform.